Hi everyone, it's Math with AUB, our second frame on ratios and proportions. And let me write part 2 on it. Part 2, question number 7. 6 we have done in the previous video. Question number 7 reads as, if x is a positive number, and x over 3 is equal to 12 over x, then what is the value of x? We are restricted. X is a positive integer, means greater than 0, and it is a positive number. That is definition of positive number, greater than 0. And what we have given, x over 3 is equal to 12 over x. One way is to keep on putting options and verifying, but solving a little bit easy by cross multiplication. By cross multiplication is done in that fashion: a over b is equal to c over d. It's equal to a times d is equal to b times c. No more denominator. In the same fashion, we have x times x square, 12 times 3. So we have x square is equal to 36. To get rid of a square, taking square root both sides, 36. Here square root cancel, x is equal to square root of 36 is 6. We can take positive, negative, but we are restricted. X is the positive one. X is the positive one. That's why we have discarded negative 6. We haven't taken. So x is equal to 6 is the right option in that case. We have solved, or one can verify. X over 3 is equal to 12 over x. X is 6, put 6 here. 6 over 3 is equal to 12 over, there is x. And value of x is 6. 6 over 3, 12 over 6. Applying table, it's 2. It's also 2. Whether to verify utilizing options, or you can directly solve for x. It's easy work. X over 3 is equal to 12 over x by cross multiplication. X square is equal to 12 times 3. 12 times 3 is 36. To get rid of square root, take square root both sides. X is equal to 6. We have discarded negative 6 because we have been forbidden, we are restricted, we have a constant. X must be positive, x must be greater than 0 means positive. That is the solution, or one can verify. Instead of x, plug in 6. 6 over 3, 12 over 6. 2 is equal to 2 is the case in that case. Verified we have. Question number 2, we have a snail can move I inches in m minutes. A snail can move in I inches in m minutes. At this rate, at this speed, how many feet can it move in h hours? We have given distance as well as time. Distance and time. Simple. It can be done by direct ratio. I inches in m minutes. How many feet? Here inches, and this is, we are asked to find our answer in inches. X question mark. I inches. We need answer in feet. Okay, we are managing in h hours. Look at this. This is I inches. This is, we have to answer in feet. We can handle this one later. There is m minutes, h hours. So we can write this as h times 60. It will become 60h minutes. So at least units are parallel. In the end, we convert our distance into feet by dividing 12. We have I over x is equal to m times 60h. Solve for x. Shift x here. 60 in multiplication, m is in division. We have I times 60h over m is equal to x. So our distance is 60 times HI over M inches, inches. We are asked to give our answer in feet, in feet. To convert inches into feet, divide by 12. Divide by 12. 1 feet is equal to 12 inches. If I am not wrong, 12 inches. Okay, divide 60 HI M divided by 12. It will become 5. So we have 5 HI over M feet. Feet. That is our answer in feet. This is our right option. Again, have a look at this. A snail can move I inches and M minutes. At this rate, how many feet distance, how many feet, suppose x is the distance, he can move in h hours. So there is minute, there is h hours, they are not compatible. I have multiplied h with 60 in order to convert this as in minutes. Now our units are compatible, they are parallel, it's good. Direct ratio I over x is equal to m over 60h. Solve for x, the distance. The distance is x is equal to 60 times hi over m inches, and we are also restricted to give our answer in feet. To convert inches into feet, divide by 100. To convert inches into feet, divide by 12. I am saying 100. In order to convert inches into feet, divide by 12. Divide by 12 because 1 feet is equal to 12 inches. 1 feet is equal to 12 inches. This is our answer. X is equal to 60 times hi over m inches. And the good options are, look at this one. Confusing, troublemaker, obfuscating. This is present also there. One could have ticked this one. This is answer in inches, but we are forbidden. We need our answer in feet. So divide this 60 hi over m by 12. 12 because 1 feet is equal to 12 inches. Unit must be parallel. Unit must be parallel or follow the question. Follow the direction. Follow the direction. We have asked to find our distance in feet. Feet. That's why I have divided inches in by 12 to convert them into feet. So the final answer is 5 hi over m feet. A snail can travel in 60 minutes. 60 minutes or 1 hour. Okay, cool. Moving towards next question, that is Barbara can grade t-tests in x hours. At this rate, how many tests she grade in x hours? She is checking something, she is checking some paper, grading test. So there is grading and here is time. Grading t-tests. How many tests? T-tests in this time, 1 over x hours. T-tests in 1 over x hours. 1 over x hours. She is grading, Barbara can grade, grading t tests in 1 upon x hours. At this rate, how many tests she can grade? In x hours. In x hours. So time is x, and we are asked to find how many tests she can grade. She can test. Suppose unknown is y. Unknown is y because t is present, x is present. So we have to take a letter that is different from these. Direct ratio t over x is equal to 1 over x divided by this x. T over x, t over y. T over y, I have taken t over y. 1 over x into 1 upon x. So it is t over y is equal to 1 upon x square. Solving for y is our unknown. Shift y here, x square here. So t times x square is equal to y. T times x square is equal to y. So she can grade t times x square tests, t times x square tests in x hours, in x square. This is our final answer. This is our final answer. She can grade t times x square tests in x hours. In x hours, she can grade t times x square tests in x hours, x square. So our answer is in that case B. Our option is B. Let me explain again. Barbara can grade t tests. Grading time t test in 1 upon x hours. T test in 1 upon x hours. How many tests she can grade in x hours? How many grades? How many grades? Question mark. I have introduced y. Question mark y. 1 over x. Direct ratio t over y is equal to 1 over x divided by x. In order to simplify the situation, this is t over y. 1 over x, it is also 1 over x times 1 over x. T over y is equal to 1 over x square. Solving for y, shift y here, tx square here. Tx square times is equal to y. So she can grade tx square test in x hours. Moving towards next question, that is, if 500 pounds of mush will feed 20 pigs for a week, how many days will 200 pounds of mush feed 14 pigs? Feed 14 pigs. There is weight in pounds, and we have number of animals and the days and the time. How many? 500 pounds, 20 pigs for a week. Okay. Then for a week, then 200 pounds for 14 animals will last how long? Time. Let me write here T. T we have to find out. 500 pounds of mush will feed 20 pigs for a week. Or how many days will 200 pounds of mush feed 14 pigs? 14 pigs. Look at this. Days, there is a week. Days, week. Make them compatible. By multiplying 7. That is our 7. Now take one ratio this, combine them. Take a direct ratio, we are going to get through. So we have 500 over 200 is equal to 20 times 7 over 14 times t. Cancelled out. I have 1 times 7, 1 7 the 7, 2 7 the 14. Applying table of 2, 10 times. I have 5 over 2 is equal to 10 over t. 10 over t. Solving for time. T here, t is equal to 10 times 2 over 5. 10 times 2 over 5. 1 5 the 5, 2 5 the 10. So 2 times 2, t is our 4 days in that case. T is our 4 days in that case. So 200 pounds is enough for 14 animals for 4 days. Or 200 pounds last 4 days for 14 animals. 200 pounds last for 4 days for 14 animals. 14 animals. What I have done here, I have merged them together. Animals and time, I have merged them. So I have made a direct ratio. This is weight, this is animals time. There was week, I have converted week into day by multiplying 7, because we are asked to give our answer in days. 2 times 7, 20 times 7. 20 animals for a week. Week means 7 days. 14 animals are given to us. We have to find 200 pounds lost for how many days? For 14 animals. So 200 pounds will last 4 days for 14 animals. Moving towards further, that is our question number, yes, 11. John can read 72 pages per hour. At this rate, how many pages can he read in 72 minutes? Can he read in 72 minutes? Pages and time. Pages and time. 72 pages per hour. John can read 72 pages per hour. At this rate, how many pages he can read in? 72 minutes. 72 minutes. So here 72 pages per hour, 1 hour. Okay, then next in 72 minutes, how many pages he can read? He read the pages 72 pages per hour. 72 pages per hour. 72 pages per hour. In 72 minutes, how many pages he can read? How many pages he can read? How many pages he can read? 1 hour, there are 72 minutes. There are 72 minutes. Make the unit compatible by multiplying 60. 1 times 60. So I have 72 over x is equal to 62 over 70. Solve for x, cross multiply. 72 times 72 is equal to 60 times x. Shift 60 here. 72 times 72 divided by 60 is equal to x. Applying table. Okay, table of 2 times, that is 36 times. Now table of what, 6, 5 times, that is 6. We have x is equal to 72 times 6 over 5. 72 times 6 over 5. Or one can use calculator or divide. You are going to get the answer in that case. Here, John can read 72 pages per hour. Per hour. 72 pages per hour. 1 hour multiplied by 60 in order to make units compatible. This is minutes, and we are asked to find in 72 minutes how many pages he can read. How many pages he can read. If you can calculate this thing, you are going to get 84 something answer, in my opinion. 72 pages in 1 hour. 72 pages in 1 hour. How many pages he can read in 72 minutes? I have converted hour into minute by multiplying 60. Direct ratio 72 over x is equal to 60 over 72. Solving for x, it is the number of pages he can read in 72 minutes. 72 minutes. Next, a good questions, a googly type of question in ratios. If 3a is equal to 2b and 3b is equal to 5c, what is the ratio of a to c? What is the ratio of a to c? 3a is equal to, if given part 3a is equal to 2b and mathematical and 3b is equal to 5c. Find the ratio of a ratio c, means a over c. From this 3a is equal to 2b, shift b here and 3 here. We will get a over b is equal to ratio 3. So a ratio b is equal to 2 ratio 3. Similarly, 3 times b is equal to 5 times c. Shift c here and 3 here. It will become ratio b over c is equal to 5 over 3. Means b ratio c is equal to 5 ratio 3. 5 ratio 3. Find the continued ratio a ratio b ratio c. Look, b is the common link in both AB, BC. AB, BC. The connecting link must be at the center. B is the link and B is at the center. Ratio of AB is 2 ratio 3. Ratio of BC is 5 ratio 3. Don't go here and there. Blank, blank. Fill the blank with the nearest one. With the nearest quantity, it is 3. Fill the blank with nearest one. It is 5. So it is 2 5 the 10. 3 5 the 15. 3 3 the 9. We are asked to find the ratio of A and C. A and C. Taking only A ratio C. This is our A. This is our C. 10 ratio 9. 10 ratio 9. 10 ratio 9 is our answer in that case. 10 ratio 9 is the answer in that case. Let me read again. Explain again. 3a 3 times a is equal to 2 times b and 3b times 5c. Manage the ratio. It is indirect question. Instead of that situation, he has given this. From this, we can arrive here. Shift b here, 3 here, a over b is equal to 2 over 3, or A ratio B is equal to 2 over 3. Similarly, 3B is equal to 5C. Shift C here, 3 here, it will become B over C is equal to 5 over 3, or B ratio C is equal to 5 over 3. Now, continued ratio, A ratio B ratio C. B is the common link, B here, B here, B is the connecting link, B is the connection, B must lie at the center, fixed at the center. So AB is 2, 3 and BC is 5, 3. So fill the blanks by the nearest one. 3 is nearest, 5 is nearest, 2, 5 the 10, 3, 5 the 15, 3, 3 the 9, 10, 15, 9. This is A, this is B, this is C. We are asked to find the ratio of AC. I have taken A and C, that is 10 ratio 9. That is 10 ratio 9. Moving one step further, it's a simple one. If 3x minus 1 over 25 is equal to x plus 5 over 11, then solve for x. Good question, algebraic question, simple one. If f means the given part, 3x minus 1 over 25 is equal to x plus 5 over 11. By cross multiplication, I have 11 times 3x minus 1 is equal to 25 times x plus 5. Here 33x 1 11 25x plus 5 into 25, it will become 125. Let me check. To carry 25 the 10 120. Okay, solve for x, shift x here. 33x minus 25x is equal to 125 plus 11. How much? 33 minus 25. 33 minus 25. 5 and 8x. And here 25 and 11. 6, 3, 136. Solving for x, x is equal to 136 over 8. Applying table of 2. 6 times here 8. X is equal to 68 over 4. Again 34 over 2. 17. X is 17 in our case. X is 17 in our case. R1 can verify from the options by direct putting here 3 times x minus 1 over 25 is equal to x plus 5 over 11. What is x? 17. 3 times 17 minus 1 over 25 is equal to 17 plus 5 over 11. How much it is? 51 minus 1 over 25. It will become, I think, 22 over 11. 50 over 25, 22 over 11, 25. So 2 is equal to, we have verified as well. This is also a tip, but it will take time because you have at least 5 options. Internationally, 5 options. You have to check 5 options. Adopt this study. It is a good one for us. It is not bad. It is also workable. Okay, moving towards question number second loss. That is 14. That is 14. 3 associates agreed to split the profit of an investment in the ratio 2, ratio 5, ratio 8. If the profit was $3,000, what is the difference between the largest and the smallest? Largest and the smallest. They have a profit. They have a profit sum worth $3,000. They are agreed to split in 2, ratio 5, ratio 8. Look, smallest is the ratio, smallest is the quantity, and largest is the ratio, largest is the quality. We are quantity. We are asked to find the difference of smallest and largest. Smallest and largest. Smallest can be calculated as smallest here is equal to ratio, corresponding ratio 2 over sum of ratios 2 plus 5 plus 8. What we have to split, that is our grand total 3000. Okay, 2 over, it will become 15 times 3000. Applying table, 215 the 30, 2006. 2 times 200, it is $400. So the smallest share is $400. $400. What about the largest? Same fashion. Largest share is going to be, take the corresponding ratio, that is the largest, upon sum of the ratios, divided by sum of the ratios, times the quantity to be divided, the grand sum, 3000, 8 over 15 times 3000. Table of 15, 2 times 130, O same, 8 times 200. It will become 1600. It will become 1600. It will become 1600. We are asked to find the difference of the largest and the smallest. Largest minus smallest. Largest is $1600, smallest is $400. So $1200 is the difference of largest and smallest. We have to, some friends, associates, agreed to split 3000 in the ratio 2, ratio 5, ratio 8. Then we are asked to find the difference of the smallest and the largest. Smallest and the largest. How we can come to know that it's smallest, largest? Look at the ratio 2, 5, 8. 2 is the smallest quantity, 8 is the smallest share. Second biggest share is 5, because it is after 2, that's 5 in ascending order. Then there is 8. We are asked to find the smallest and the largest. Smallest and the largest. Smallest and the largest. Difference of largest and smallest. We have calculated corresponding ratio over sum of ratios multiplied by total, that's 400. Largest corresponding ratio divided by sum of ratio multiplied by the grand total, that is 8 times 200, 1600. So largest is 1600, smallest is 400. Their difference, 1600 minus 400, is 1200. Okay, cool. We are heading towards final question, that is based on inverse ratio. If y is inversely proportional to x, if y is inversely proportional to x, if y is inversely or indirectly, y is inversely proportional to 1 over x. Whenever we remove this proportion sign, everybody is familiar from the Isaac Newton second law, force is directly proportional to acceleration. We remove the constant proportionality symbol by introducing mass. This is our constant in that case, mass. Same, in the same token, we have to introduce a constant here, suppose k times 1 over x. Then we have given a pair of values of x and y. Apply these, plug in the values of x and y here to get k. What are these? If y is inversely proportional to x and y is equal to 8 when x is equal to 4, y is equal to 8 when x is equal to 4, y is 8 and x is 4. Shift 4 here, 8 times 4. So k is equal to 32. K is equal to 32. Plug in here value of y. So our equation is going to be y is equal to k. K means 32 times 1 over x. 1 over x. Next step, either we have given y, we are asked to find x, or we have given x to find y. What is that? What is the value of y when x is equal to 5? X is 5 here. Y is equal to 32 times 1 over 5. It will become 32 over 5. It is the proper fraction. Write in mixed fraction. 6 times 5, 30. Remainder 2. 6 whole 2 over 5. 6 whole 2 over 5. That is the value of y. That is the value of y. That is the value of y. It's my tiny effort for you guys. For part number 2, exercise on ratios and proportion. Let's solve by itself next.